You could do so much. You could really just do it all with this fur wine bag made of. Hey everyone, I'm Z like the letter. Did you know that you can get all of your holiday gifts at Aldi? I'm really excited because these products today are Aldi finds, which means they'll be in stores on December 12th and afterwards. And I have a box right next to me here and it's full of them. So let's get it open and get started. Okay. The first thing that I see, oh, everyone's favorite, some red wine. This is Peaks and Tides Sonoma County Cabernet Sauvignon, and it is a 2015. And I do know about Aldi is that they have a great wine selection there. So I'm really excited to pop this open and give it a small taste. I also don't know how to open a bottle of wine, if I can remove this correctly. Or if you're just me, you just wiggle it out. Ah, there it is, a nice pop. What are you supposed to do with this? You're supposed to like swish it, you know, pretend like you know what you're doing. It's great, I know I was supposed to spit it out, but just went right down. Okay, oh wow. Okay, so this is a faux fur wine bag, which means you can carry your leftovers home in this beautiful faux fur. If you have any though, that's the thing, you know, because that wine bottle would definitely be gone, so maybe you could just use it as a scarf or something else can go in there, but it's designed for a wine bag. It's very, very cute, very chic. Oh, I love candles. See, the thing about candles is that no matter where you get them or who bought them for you, like, you know you're gonna use them. $4.99, which like each candle is less than what's math? Two, let's say $2, give or take a little bit. Soy coconut wax, which is great because the only place I like coconut is in a candle. Oh, they smell really good, you guys. They smell super delicious. I think all of them are the same scent. No, this one is different. So 3 different coconut scents. They're perfect. You can put one on your dining table, you can put one in the bathroom, you could put one in your car for all I care. They're fabulous little gifts and I love them. They're my favorite so far. Next, in this box from Aldi, we have, oh boy, these are wafer rolls. You know those things that like only happen during the holidays, you know, like things that we only break out during December. This is one of them. I've never seen anyone in my entire life eat a wafer roll before December 1st. I'm gonna pop them open. So to be fair, wafer rolls are probably not the healthiest thing in this box. They're so pretty and they're packaged individually so you can have one and then stop. Okay. Okay, they're decently sized. So I can see, before I even looked at the box, there's 3 different flavors. This one is very minty. It would be delicious to put on a little platter at your party, in a little gift bag for, you know, white Santa. What is it? White Santa? No. Dirty Santa, that one. Secret Santa, that's what I was looking for, not white Santa. This one right here says Jingle Bells on it, which doesn't tell me the flavor. I'm guessing this one has to be the chocolate. And this one is cookies and cream, even though it says Be Merry on it. So it's like a surprise, I guess. One sip of wine and I'm drunk. Ooh, this is a brownie batter dessert hummus. Hummus is meant to be from chickpeas, but some people like dessert hummus. So, you know, give them what the people want. This dessert hummus is $3.49, which like is probably just a little under double the price of a regular hummus at Aldi based on my shopping experience. I'm gonna try it. So I'm just gonna be a good old boy and stick my finger in there. Oh, whoa. This smells like sugar, a lot of sugar. But you know, to be fair, it's called brownie butter dessert hummus, so what else is it supposed to smell like, you know? Cheers. I don't know if I would put this on a vegetable. I don't think people would ever want to do that, but like on a slice of pita, maybe, or just like on a cracker. But also this is one of the things that like, it kind of reminds me of like a thicker Nutella. So the nutrition on brownie batter dessert hummus, you won't be surprised to hear, is not amazing. But that being said, there's 8 servings in this canister. Each serving size is 2 tablespoons. So that's generous considering. I'm sure other, products in this category, the serving sizes may be a little bit smaller. Saturated fat for 2 tablespoons of this dessert hummus is 5 grams. That's about 25% of your daily volume. So it's probably not the best thing to be eating every day. But December is the time of giving. Give yourself an extra pat on the back with some dessert hummus and just keep it to those 2 tablespoons, please. Elsewhere in the box, there's more dessert hummus. This one is vanilla bean flavored. I think this one actually, like, not gonna lie, like if you put this in a regular hummus tin, I would think that might look like regular hummus. So if you want to play a little trick on someone, no, I'm just kidding. Good for someone who has a sweet tooth and who likes vanilla bean. Next in our box of fun is, oh, okay. So we have this mini naan here. It is $3.49, which I'm gonna open this right now and tell you how many pieces of naan there is. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of naan. And guess what? I just saw on the box after displaying them for you. It says right there, 8 count. So I'm gonna try a little piece of this one. It's very good. And then if I'm not mistaken, Aldi has done some kind of naan bread before. So I'm happy they brought it back. All right, guys, there's a few things left in this box. Oh, okay. I'm really excited about this one. So MOSER ROTH is the name brand of this. They are always at Aldi. It's not just a find. You can find MOSER ROTH in the Aldi stores at all times. It's a great chocolate brand. I love it. What I love about these is they're so big, but as you can see, sometimes they come broken up into individual servings. So you don't have to eat the whole bar at once. This is a dark chocolate flavor, which I don't really love dark chocolate. There's a bunch of health benefits associated with dark chocolate, so I'm not anti-dark chocolate, but it's not my favorite. It's really good. Like, it's so good. I wouldn't be surprised if someone said like, oh, this is the finest chocolate in my local supermarket. So maybe the dark chocolate will be in the fine section. If not, you're gonna find them in the chocolate section of your Aldi. Highly recommend. You guys, these bars, these ones right here, look, they're like face comparison. $1.99. I know everyone spends at least triple that on a big bag of name brand candy at other stores. I love this brand. This is my third favorite thing in this box. Guys, I'm really sad because we're on the last item of the box, but I think it's an exciting one to save for last. Okay, gluten-free crackers. I am not sensitive to celiac or gluten or any of those kinds of intolerances. There's another brand of gluten-free crackers that I absolutely love. They're called Mary's Gone Crackers. I know that in a given store, they're usually about $6 a box. So this bag of gluten-free crackers, olive oil flavored and rosemary, which is very standard, for $1.99, that's a really good deal. Oh my God. Wow. Can you just imagine a little dip right now? little guacamole right there. Since they're so good, I'm gonna look at the nutrition label because I wanna see what's up. Their serving size is very generous. It's not 4.5 crackers because like who's gonna eat 4.5 crackers? Nobody. There are 11 crackers, so that's very generous. So if you have 2 serving sizes, that's about 22 crackers, math. Each serving is about 140 calories. Low saturated fat, sodium, which is very important for bagged snacks like this, only 115 milligrams for 11 crackers, which is pretty decent. That's, I mean, probably the best, one of the best crackers I've seen come across my desk recently. Okay, you guys, my top 3 products. I'm gonna start with this. This was the last thing that we opened. The LIVEGFREE crackers were amazing. The second thing I would recommend, especially during the holiday season, is the MOSER ROTH chocolate brand. It's not always in the fine section. Maybe this flavor is the fine this month, but you can normally find this chocolate in Aldi stores. I love it. The third favorite thing that I love are these beautiful candles, because who doesn't have enough candles to use? And my last favorite thing is Aldi's red wine, because who doesn't love a good red wine? Well, a very big thank you to Aldi for sending over their best holiday gifts. Now you guys know that you can go shopping for groceries and pick up some pretty great holiday items at Aldi this season. If you liked this video, please comment, share, subscribe, do all that you do down below. And I want to wish everyone a very happy holidays to you and your family. Cheers, everybody.